Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be working with a cabinet door. I got this on Freebie Alert, and if you don't know about Freebie Alert, you should check it out. It's an app that when someone's giving away something free, they post it on there. You contact them, you could get together, you can post how far away you want to drive. And I want to thank Shirley for this cabinet door. I got a whole bunch of them from her. So I'm going to be making other crafts with them. But for today, we're going to be painting the inside to make this into a picture frame. I'm not going to paint the outside. Now you could put contact paper inside, like maybe some polka dots or flowers or something, and then put an object over top of it. But I'm going to be painting the inside to use it as a giant picture frame. Let's get started. So I'm just going to start off by taping off all the edges because I don't trust myself with the paint. Paint is dry. Let's go inside. Dollar Tree has all of these adorable little yard art that you stick in your plants, and I couldn't help myself. I think I'm going to choose this truck that says welcome. And I'm going to put it kind of on the edge of my sign, which is going to make it three-dimensional. It's going to lift up off of the sign. And that's going to give me room to put more flowers behind it. So I have this little thingamajiggy. It's just a part from a old mini blind. You just need something, whatever you have, a bolt, a screw, whatever, that will lift your item up if you're going to do it the way I did. So I'm using my super glue, not the gel super glue. And I'm guesstimating where it's going to go. About right here. And then I'm going to put some glue on the wheel, spokes of the wheels where they touch the frame, because they're kind of raised up in the back, and that way it will have contact with the wood. And then since I'm not using the gel, this is going to take a minute to dry. I don't know why I didn't use the super glue gel, but it is what it is. And really, you don't have to put glue on the item, just on your little, whatever you have glued down to hold it up. And since it's not the gel, I'm going to weight it down to let it set up. And meanwhile, we'll get our stickers and decide where we want to put them. I'm going to have my sign say friends, and then the truck says welcome. And then we're just going to jazz it up a little bit with some extra flowers, so it'll all have kind of a three-dimensional feel. Great for spring. I have spring fever, so Dollar Tree was a bad place for me to go. And my letters are not all, lined up great, but y'all know I don't really sweat all the small stuff. My eye could have been leaned a little better. Now I just went through my flower drawer and got all of these different flowers. The little light blue ones are paper flowers. That pink one is one I just pulled off of a stem. And then I cut some leaves off of another flower. I'm going to reposition this weight so this glue can dry a little longer, but I can get behind the truck to add my flowers. So I'm just putting a little glue on the base of the stem and down the stem a little bit, and just checking it as I go. You could make a little floral arrangement and tape it together at the base and then just stick the whole thing behind it. But I kind of wanted to check it as I go. I even put a few flowers on the truck itself. And a few leaves that I cut off of a stem. Now, I was thinking about putting some flowers over here on the letters and adding some to the little flowers I have at the bottom. But a girl can change her mind. Here is what we have. So, you could use any little Dollar Tree yard art, or, you know, maybe use something you have around your house. Also, you could put little hooks down here and make a key holder or bigger hooks for little jackets or whatever. Make a little fancy hanger for it. Maybe a beaded hanger. Maybe use red letters instead of the gold letters. I didn't have red letters. These are just letters that I had. Just like the background is blue because I didn't have white paint. I wanted to make it white, but I was out of white paint. Shocker. So that's how mine came out. I'd love to see how yours comes out. And I hope you have an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.